And I am out here today to stand in solidarity for all the officers that have been killed in the riots and every other American life that has been taken during this very horrible time in our country. I think that everybody right now needs to come together and we all need to have peace. It doesn't matter your color or your beliefs. Right now this country needs all the love and support that it can get. And to move forward, you know, we have to do this or we're going to lose our country and our freedoms. My freedoms are very special to me, and I say that every time I talk to people who my grandfather served. I think it just makes it that much more special for me to be out here and supporting my community and my people. You know, I'm a town councilwoman with Yakult, and when I have the people in my town reach out to me to come out and support them, I'm always out to support them. And I take great pride in being a councilwoman. When I'm out here, I do it on my time, and I know that a lot of people have been like, oh, she's a councilwoman, why is she out there? Like I said, I do it on my personal time. I don't represent Yakult when I'm out here. I represent me and my beliefs and who I stand for and who I continue to stand for. I will always stand for my beliefs, and I will always stand for what's right, and I will always stand with the people in this community, so that's why I'm out here.